Hello viewers, this is the female of one of the farms we manage at Poultry Masters GH. This is house 1 with a total of 20,000 beds at 69 weeks. And this is house 2 with a total of 20,000 beds at 22 weeks. This farm has a total of 40,000 beds. Our team lead is here for inspection and to give advice on what to do on a daily basis.